Hello everyone, today we will solve a very interesting question from the part C part and which is asked in CSIR NET 2022. This is a very interesting question from complex analysis and this question is from the entire function part. Okay. What is given here? Here f is the entire function and the condition is given that this one. Okay, f satisfies this condition, z times f of z minus 1 plus e to the power z mod less than equal to 1 plus z mod. Okay, for all z belongs to complex plane, and here f is a entire function. If f is entire function, then z times f of z is also entire, and minus 1 is also entire function, and e to the power z is also entire function. Means this whole quantity is a entire function which is bounded by this linear term. Okay, 1 plus z mod. Then we know that if a entire function is bounded by this quantity, means here the power is linear polynomial one type. So this entire function should be equal to a linear polynomial. Okay, means this implies that z f of z minus 1 plus e to the power z, this entire function should be equal to linear function a times z plus b for some constant ab are constant. Okay, but in question we have to calculate f dash 0 and f double dash 0. What are the values? Okay, let us differentiate on both sides. If we differentiate on both sides, differentiate both sides. If we differentiate both sides, what will we get? We will get f of z plus z f dash z. Okay, minus 1 vanishes plus e to the power z equal to what we will get? Equal to a. Okay, if we will put z equal to 0, whether we will get something. If we will put z equal to 0, here z f dash 0 will vanish because z equal to 0, this term will vanish. We will get f of 0 equal to something, but which is not our requirement because we require f dash 0. Okay, so let us further differentiate it. It gives f dash z plus f dash z plus z f double dash z plus e to the power z equal to 0. Now put z equal to 0. What it gives? It gives f dash 0 plus f dash 0 plus this term will vanish because here z equal to 0, 0 plus e to the power 0 equal to 1. It gives, okay, this thing means 2 f dash 0 equal to minus 1. So f dash 0 equal to minus 1 by 2. So we get f dash 0 equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the correct answer? F dash 0 equal to minus 1. This one is false. This one is true. Okay. To get f double dash 0, further we have to differentiate it. If further differentiate it, then it gives f double dash z plus f double dash z plus f double dash z plus z f triple dash z plus e to the power z equal to 0. So it gives 3 f double dash z, 3 times f double dash z plus z f triple dash z plus e to the power z equal to 0. Let z equal to 0. It gives 3 times f double dash 0 plus 1 equal to 0, which gives f double dash 0 equal to minus 1 by 3. So the correct answer is f double dash 0 equal to minus 1 by 3. So f double dash 0 equal to minus 1 by 3, this one correct and this one is false.